Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a government exam. The first step involves navigating to the official government portal, which serves as your primary resource for all exam-related information. Take your time to thoroughly browse the available job postings and exam notices. Each announcement will contain vital details about the position and the examination process. Understanding these initial steps is crucial for a smooth application, so start by finding that official gateway. Once you have identified an exam of interest, meticulously review its specific eligibility criteria. These often include details regarding minimum age, required educational attainment, and citizenship or residency status. Ensure you meet every single requirement before proceeding further. Also, start gathering any supporting documents mentioned, such as copies of your degree, certifications, or perhaps a valid form of identification. Having these ready will streamline the next stages of your application. Proceed to the online application form, making sure you are on the secure and official platform. Carefully enter all your personal information, detailed work history, and educational achievements. Be precise with dates, titles, and responsibilities, providing complete and truthful answers. Many forms allow you to save your progress, so utilize this feature if you need to pause and return later. A thorough review of every field is essential before you consider it complete. With all sections of your application meticulously filled, conduct a final comprehensive review. Confirm every piece of information is correct, as changes may not be possible after submission. Then, proceed to the payment section if an application fee is required, which is typically processed online. Securely complete the transaction and save all payment confirmations. You will also receive an application identification number. Keep this safe, as it is vital for tracking your progress later on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.